Hello, everyone. It is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance Morning After. The song is Morning After Dark. The artist is Timbaland, and the choreography is Mr. DONELL McFadden. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instructions, check out the choreographer, and also I'll post mine at the end of this video. And let's get it.
Hello, Mr. Music. I'm glad you made it. According to your hands, you look breathtaking. Your bright, your kiss is unknown to me. So take command. Go, Timbo. I'll be the same when it all goes up. I'll be the same when it all goes down. Let the first one open up. I'll be the last one closing out. Don't go like give you a shot yet. Little mama, I'm keeping your style. Do I think you don't want up yet? One way your body out. Don't say you can't keep on. Don't get afraid of like wow. Put it all in your head and go. When she gon' lay it out. Yeah, I wanna go. I don't worry anyhow. Why don't we see where it go? Let's figure it out. I'm the best of all the best of all the baby. The door is gonna be open up to me. I'm the best of all the best of all the baby. The door is gonna be open up to I've got a little secret for ya. I never sleep when comes the night, but every time I snap my fingers, I switch back into the light. I'm only lost to your sun. Your fire is burning my mind. Is it love or is it less? Something that I just can't describe. And I know why I'm lonely. I'm really always. It felt so long and lonely, waiting for you to come. It's looking bright and early. I'm willing to close my eyes. It's just being into a story. Timbo is so shy. I'm the best of all the best of all the baby. The door is gonna be open up to me. I'm the best of all the best of all the baby. The door is gonna be open up to me. You talking about taking it slow. I'm talking about taking it wild. Don't wanna be too close, but no, baby, you know it's my style. I'm talking about lighting it up. You talking about digging it down. I'm thinking about letting it go, but I never seen no king this bow. Yes, I'm the one and only. You know I see right through ya. I can't come with me, so you draw me right through ya. Maybe I give you a shot, yep. Maybe you deserve a crown. Won't give you a treasure map, yep. Let's figure it out. I'm the best of all the best of all the baby. The door is gonna be open up to me. I'm the best of all the best of all the baby. The door is gonna be open up to me.
And there you go, guys. That is Morning After. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.